Well, it's finally time. I'm gonna treat the floors with linseed oil soap.
Soaped floors is an age-old Scandinavian wood finishing tradition for flooring and is a very natural and environmentally friendly option for finishing flooring. A soap finish makes a soft-to-the-touch light finish and is best suited for light-toned softwood species, which are more porous, like pine or Douglas fir, and hardwood species like oak. In the old days, soaped floor was a floor treatment for poor people and was associated with hardship, pain, and sore knees. But today, soaped floors have become popular again, and a house on the market with original old soaped floors is definitely a winner. As with wine, soaped floors become better with age. There are two ways to treat the wood. The traditional way, såpskura, is to scrub the floors 3 to 5 times with soap mixed with water. As it needs to dry in between, a treatment of one floor will take a couple of weeks to finish. It's important to wet the floor with water before you start to avoid yellow stains from the soap. A more modern way, såpning, is to saturate the wood with the soap and then clean the floor with water at least 6 times. And make sure that you change the water many times when you do this. This is what I am doing in this video. For both ways, you must always use cold water. And you must use a soap with at least 40% oil, preferably linseed oil, and with no additives. If a floor has been treated before, you must sand it first. And when the floor is newly treated, you must use it carefully as it takes a couple of years to build up resistance and protection. Different types of wood react different to the soap treatment. Douglas fir was very popular as it becomes very light. Pine floors, like mine, turn a shade darker than the Douglas fir, and oak was also used sometimes. Normally, wooden floor becomes darker and yellow when being exposed to the sun. But each time you clean the floor with the soap, it becomes lighter and lighter because of the chemical reaction when being exposed to the sunlight. Unless you use the modern method with saturation of the wood, you use 1 part of soap and 2 parts of cold water. When you clean it, which you should do at least twice a year, you should use 2 to 3 deciliter of the soap for each 10 liter of cold water.